Most people don't struggle with ideas, they struggle with output. You sit down to create content and suddenly it's slow. Writing takes time, editing takes time, and staying consistent feels almost impossible. Especially if you're running a business or working with clients, that's the exact promise behind Holo AI. This Holo AI review is based on using it the way real creators and professionals actually would, not just testing features, but trying to produce more content faster without burning out. Holo AI is an AI writing tool designed to help you generate long-form and short-form content quickly. Blog posts, scripts, marketing copy, social posts, it's built for people who need volume without sacrificing structure. That's why freelancers, YouTubers, and online businesses are starting to use it more. The first thing that stood out is speed. You give it a prompt and it generates usable drafts fast. Not perfect, but strong enough that you're not starting from zero. That alone removes one of the biggest bottlenecks in content production. The second major benefit is momentum. Instead of staring at a blank page, you're editing something real. That shift from creating to refining makes it easier to publish consistently, and consistency is where growth actually happens. Another thing I noticed is flexibility. You can use Holo AI for YouTube scripts, blog articles, email content, even product descriptions. It adapts depending on what you need, which makes it useful across different parts of a business. Now, honest pros and cons. The biggest pro is output. You can produce significantly more content in less time. It's especially useful if you publish regularly or manage multiple platforms. The con is that it still needs human input. You can't just copy and publish everything without reviewing it. And Holo AI pricing only makes sense if content is a serious part of your workflow. So is Holo AI worth it? If your business depends on content, marketing, YouTube, blogging, client work, Holo AI can help you scale output much faster. But if you rarely create content, you probably won't get full value from it. Holo AI won't replace your thinking, but it can remove the friction that slows content creation. And that's where real growth starts. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.